The International Monetary Fund has raised its global growth forecast for 2025 to 3.2%, up from its previous projection of 3.0%, citing softer than expected tariff impacts, resilient private sector adjustments, and stronger fiscal stimulus in key economies. However, the optimism comes with a caveat. The IMF warned that renewed trade hostilities between the United States and China could shave up to 1.8 percentage points off global output by 2027 if tensions escalate into a full-scale tariff war. The fund projects US growth at around 2.0% next year, while Europe and Japan are expected to see modest improvements, supported by fiscal stimulus and recovering consumer demand. For China, growth remains steady at 4.8%, though vulnerabilities persist due to its struggling property sector and financial market pressures. Global markets reacted cautiously to the report. Equities edged lower, while safe haven assets such as gold and government bonds rallied as investors weighed the durability of recent diplomatic overtures between Washington and Beijing. China, meanwhile, dismissed US tariff threats as economic intimidation and vowed to fight to the end in trade negotiations. Diplomats argue that both nations risk undermining global recovery if they continue to weaponize economic policy. Analysts believe the IMF's upgrade signals resilience but also underscores the fragility of the current recovery. Trade policy, chip supply chains, and energy prices remain key risk factors that could shape the global economic outlook through 2026.